Hello, welcome to Knowledge Nuggets with Kyron Technology. Today we're going to be going over a head-to-head comparison of 3 compact antennas. So, as I said, we're going to be going over the head-to-head comparison of 3 antennas that we've used for different clients in the Daytona Beach area. We're going to be looking at the flat panel antenna that you can get on Amazon for about $25–30, the Antennas Direct 2 Max, and the Televes DiNova Boss Mix. Okay, so first up we've got the flat antenna that we've got mounted up in the window over there. We're going to run an auto program and see what kind of channel numbers we can pick up here. Typically we expect to see between 50 and 60 channels with these flat antennas. We're only about 45–50 miles from the transmitters, so they work okay. And this orientation in this window happens to be just about perfect. While it's scanning, one of the other things we can look at though is the channel master meter here. You can see the faint green bars down at the very bottom here. Those indicate signal strength, and it's pretty low with that antenna. So we're going to see what it actually picks up. So with 49 channels received, we're a little bit lower than anticipated, but not out of the realm of expectations for sure. Now we'll check out the Antennas Direct and see how that does. Now that we have the Antennas Direct 2 Max hooked up, we're going to run another scan and see how it does compared to the flat antenna. While we're scanning, you can see on the meter that we've got similar green bar representation, but a little bit more overhead. So we should pick up the same or better. So with 65 channels scanned, that's a significant improvement over the UHF only flat antenna, which had just 49 channels it was able to pick up right now. This is about average. We usually see between 64 and 72 channels picked up with that antenna. So now we're going to go ahead and hook up the Televes DiNova Boss Mix and see how that does. And while we're scanning, we'll have a quick look at the channel master meter, and you can see quite a marked improvement in overhead with all those signals across the board. It's a much more stable reception, so we should see a significant improvement here as well. So there you go, with 86 channels scanned, the Televes DiNova Boss Mix is the clear winner in this compact antenna head-to-head comparison. That's the antenna that we've standardized on for our clients here in the Daytona Beach area. Hopefully you found this interesting and helpful, and if you have any other questions about which antenna to pick in your area, I highly recommend finding a local professional to help you narrow down the choices.